Chapter 8. The Flower Thief. The king of Iran loved flowers. His garden, built after spending a large fortune, had many rare flowers with enchanting fragrances. Once the king came to know that his precious flowers were being stolen from the garden. He called for the gardeners. "Bring before me the thief who steals the flowers from my garden," ordered the king. The gardeners mounted a watch around the garden and guarded it day and night. One morning, they noticed a hand coming in through the fence from the outside and plucking flowers from the taller plants. The alarm bells rang. The gardeners and guards ran towards the corner where the hand was seen. They surrounded the thief. But all of them were shocked when they looked at the thief's face. It was the son of the king's minister. A thief had to be punished, whether he is a beggar's son or a minister's. The guards and the gardeners led the young man towards the king's court. On the way, they ran into the minister himself, who was on his way to the court for an important meeting with the king. The minister knew of his son's fondness for flowers. From a glance into the arrested young man's pockets, the minister guessed the whole story. "Your mouth will save you," commented the minister with no change of expression on his face as he walked past the group of men. The minister's son quickly understood what his father meant. He started eating the flowers in his pocket one by one without letting the guards see. "Your Majesty, we have caught the thief who used to steal the royal flowers. It is none other than our minister's son," declared the chief gardener as the guards pushed the young man forward into the center of the floor. "Take the flowers back from him," ordered the king. The guards began to search the young man's pockets, but could not find even a single petal in them. Now the minister's son faced the king, the nervous guards and gardeners beside him. "Your Majesty, I was admiring the beautiful flowers of the royal garden from the outer pavement when these men arrested me. Please save me. How dare you arrest and bring this young man to me by calling him a thief? Make a mistake like this again, and none of you will have a head over your shoulders." His mouth indeed saved the minister's son. But he never stole flowers again. Not that he loved flowers less. He knew he couldn't eat those terribly bitter flowers if caught again. New words: fortune, luck. Rare, not common. Enchanting fragrance, delightful odors. Precious, valuable. Mounted, kept, here. Plucking, pulling out with hands. Shocked, amazed. Fondness, great love for something. Glance, quick look. Guessed, understood. Commented, said. Nervous, anxious. Admiring, appreciating. Pavement, footpath. Terribly, badly. Understanding the lesson. A. State if the following sentences are true or false. 1. The minister's son was very fond of flowers. 2. The flowers in the garden were rare and had enchanting fragrance. 3. The guards found many flowers in the minister's son's pocket. 4. The king let the young man go away as the theft could not be proved. B. Complete the sentences with the words from the lesson. 1. The minister knew of his son's fondness for. 2. The gardeners mounted a watch around the. 3. The guards began to search the young man's. 4. When the guards could not find any flower in the young man's pockets, they became. C. Put a tick on the correct option to complete the sentences. 1. The king ordered his guards to catch the A. Thief. B. Young man. C. Minister. D. Gardeners. 2. The guards said, "Your Majesty, we have caught the thief who used to steal the flowers." A. Golden, B. Precious. C. Royal. D. Beautiful. 3. The young man told the king that he was simply admiring the flowers of the royal garden. A. Enchanting. B. Lovely. C. Fragrant. D. Beautiful. 4. The minister learnt the whole story from a glance into the young man's A. Pockets. B. Hands. C. Bag. D. Shirt. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What flowers were there in the garden of the king of Iran? 2. What did the gardeners do to find out the flower thief? 3. Whom did the guards catch as the thief? 4. How did the minister's son save himself? Vocabulary zone. Match each word in column A with the correct meaning in column B. A. Transferred. B. Enveloped. C. Sadly. D. Pretending. E. Piled. F. Proclaimed. G. Blot. Grammar fun. Simple present tense. Don't. Doesn't we use don't with I, we, you and they. We use doesn't with he, she and it. I don't go. We don't play. You don't sleep. They don't sing. He doesn't sit. She doesn't write. It doesn't move. A. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. 1. Anil like orange juice. Doesn't, don't. 2. We live close to the sea, but we go at the beach often. Doesn't, don't. 3. We like rock music very much. Doesn't, don't. 4. Rita says she understand. Doesn't, don't. 5. They like meat. They like fish. Doesn't, don't. 6. They sell that brand anymore. Don't, doesn't. 7. That kind of earthquake happen often. Doesn't, don't. 8. I know. Do you? Doesn't, don't. B. Complete the sentences by using the ing form of the verb given in brackets. 1. The boy is in the pool, swim. 2. Mother is in the kitchen, cook. 3. The baby is for milk, cry. 4. The child is in the park, play. 5. The man is with a suitcase, walk. 6. The teacher is the students, teach. 7. The sun is in the sky, rise. Listening time. Your teacher will read the words ending with the letters R, Y. Listen to your teacher carefully and follow the sounds when you read each of these words. Berry, burry, carry, cherry, curry, ferry, marry, merry, scurry, sorry. Use dictionary to find out some more words ending with the letters R, Y and write them in the space below. Speak well. Here is a conversation between Kaushik and Anand. Read the conversation to know what it is all about. In what ways can you offer help to others in various situations? Kaushik is annoyed as his scooter would not start. Anand offers to help him. Kaushik, kicking his scooter. Oh, what a day. I've been kicking for 5 minutes. This scooter wouldn't start. Oh God, I'm tired. Anand, hi Kaushik. Having trouble with the scooter? May I help you? Kaushik, how very kind of you, Anand. Please try to start it. Anand, starts it easily. Look how easy it is to start. You're impatient, Kaushik. You haven't inserted the keys properly. Kaushik, thanks, Anand. Write well. A. Write a story with the help of the given clues. Ajay, going to school, sees an old woman, unable to cross the road, offers to help. Old woman agrees, waits for red signal, helps the woman cross. Woman thanks him, blesses him. B. Ask questions to each of the following answers. Begin your questions with didn't. 1. I didn't like to play hockey. Didn't you like to play hockey? 2. You didn't like to go the market alone. 3. He didn't like to watch cartoons. 4. We didn't like to listen to music. 5. They didn't like to drink coffee. 6. I didn't like to swim in a river. 7. She didn't like to dance on the stage. You can't be that, Brian Patton. I told them, when I grow up, I'm not going to be a scientist or someone who reads the news on TV. No, a million birds will fly through me. I'm going to be a tree. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I told them, when I grow up, I'm not going to be an airline pilot, a dancer, a lawyer, or an MC. No, huge whales will swim in me. I'm going to be an ocean. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I told them, I'm not going to be a DJ, a computer programmer, a musician, or beautician. No, streams will flow through me. I'll be the home of eagles. I'll be full of nooks, crannies, valleys, and fountains. I'm going to be a range of mountains. They said, you can't be that. No, you can't be that. I asked them, just what do you think I am? Just a child, they said, and children always become at least one of the things we want them to be. They do not understand me. I'll be a stable if I want, smelling of fresh hay. I'll be a lost glade in which unicorns still play. They do not realize I can fulfill any ambition. They do not realize among them walks a magician. New words. MC, short form for Master of Ceremonies, someone who conducts or announces at shows. DJ, short form for Disc Jockey, one who changes the music discs on radio or at a show. Glade, open space in a forest. Ambition, the desire to achieve something. Poetry appreciation. A. Answer the following questions. 1. Why does the speaker want to be a tree? 2. What thrills the speaker about being an ocean? 3. According to the speaker, what are the joys of being a mountain range? 4. You can't be that. No, you can't be that. Why are these lines repeated? 5. Do you think this is a poem written in the modern times? If so, what are the words that suggest that? B. Read these lines from the poem. Answer the questions that follow. 1. I asked them, just what do you think I am? A. Who did the speaker ask? B. What did they say he was? 2. They do not realize among them walks a magician. A. Who is the speaker referring to as magician? B. Why is he saying this? What magic can he do? See answer in detail. In the last stanza, the child in the poem sounds like all children who often feel that what they think is right. Write about how you would feel in such a situation. Dear, work in pairs. Imagine a conversation between your mother and you where you want to do something and she does not. Now try and write that in verse form.